Hi everyone, my name is Yogesh and today in this video we are going to talk about top 5 job profiles to work in 2022 or 2023. And that would be number one, I'll start with the healthcare. So healthcare is a profession or is a field in which it is booming first of all, and the situation which we have seen in a couple of years back, right, due to this COVID-19 and all those things. So we can't take any risk about our health. So health is should be and going to be number one priority for sure. Then second one comes with the IT. Of course, IT, you can never compromise with the IT one, right? So becoming a software developer or a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, you can't even imagine any field surviving without IT, right? You talk about anything. If I talk about the medical field, if I talk about the police field, army field, anywhere you can see like this IT job is going to be remain for sure. Another thing would be financial management. So because of course when you must have heard that quote that with a great power comes great responsibility. So that is one thing where this comes into the pictures. Being a chartered accountant or a company secretary are so much important, and many more. Like these are the two renowned jobs in the financial system, but that's more than that, right? So this is also going to be this so much in demand. So what you have to understand is that this is going to be on peak. Then fourth one comes on supply chain management, right? So supply chain management, like as we say, okay, when there is a high demand and less supply, right? So there you can take power of that. So there is a lot of logistics centers and delivery centers where you can take advantage of that, doing pursuing MBA and learning about those resources. So that is going to be really very helpful. And then the fifth one comes is the statistical. So what that means that if I talk about the stock market, the prediction that how it is going to be affected, because right now we can also see that sometimes there is a situation of recession, sometimes the IT sector or every sector is going on boom. So you have to be really careful about this mathematical field. So statistics plays a really important in predicting the market's condition. So that is another field that I would suggest you to go with it. So these were 5 job profiles which you can definitely look to work upon without any hesitation. Thank you.